Hey, how's it going? This is Aaron over at Booyah Farms, and today I'm going to do a quick video on, well, not this guy, but my sneaky little duck. And she does not like having her eggs collected. She's pretty protective of her nest, and she pretty much hides them all over the yard. And we can look down in here, let's see. Yeah, you can't see much, but if you look, there she is, sitting on a huge pile of duck eggs. God bless her. And I don't mind her sitting on the duck eggs, but this time of year it's hot out, and you really don't want these things sitting out. She lays one a day. You can see now that she's having a hissy fit. There's her boyfriend back in there, and she's having a hissy fit. She doesn't want me getting her eggs, but this is in the middle of summer here, man. You can have these eggs laying out. Each one of these eggs is one day. You can see there's easily 14 eggs in there. I've been kind of negligent. This is mainly my fault. I haven't been looking for nests and stuff like that. And there's one chicken egg in there. I'm pretty good about finding the chicken eggs. The duck is really good about hiding her stuff. There's another chicken of mine. She's been real broody lately. She doesn't want to talk to anybody. That's okay. So, you find this big pile of eggs laying out in your yard, and you're like, what the heck am I going to do? Are they good? Are they bad? Well, there's an easy way to check. Took my sink back here, filled it up with water. And all you do is you throw the eggs in the water. I'm already seeing some results. I'm going to put all these eggs in the water. This is pretty much the old school way of figuring out if eggs are good or bad. When it's really hot, you can't leave these things sitting out this long. This is a huge mistake on my part, but we'll live. But what I wanted to show you is, let's look at a couple things here. So, some of these eggs floated right down to the bottom. Some of them are on the end. And then some of them are floating right on top of the surface. Like this one. That's a rotten egg. Now, you can't tell by looking at it, but when they go rotten, they form a gas inside. And once they've gone rotten, the gas forms inside, it makes them float. So, this one is not going to be good to eat. Let's see, yeah, I missed a bunch of eggs here. Here's two more that are floating. Here's another one that's floating. There's another one that's floating. Those eggs are no good to eat. They're full of whatever the gas is that makes eggs rotten, and you don't want to eat them. Now, you see a couple eggs, like this one right here, laying right on the side. There's nothing wrong with that egg. But look at this one down here in the corner. See how it's sitting on end? It means it's begun to get rotten. And it's not rotten yet, but the gas is in there and it's starting to form. That's why it's tipped the egg up. So we're not going to keep that one either. The rest of these eggs, they're all good. They're sitting on the bottom. Oh, she's mad. She's real mad. She doesn't like me taking her eggs. You know, the problem is I'm allergic to duck eggs, so I don't eat them. But I need to be more diligent about finding her nest, finding her eggs, and getting them out every day, especially this time of year. And we still have a dozen good eggs here. My wife eats them. I pass them out to friends. And These eggs here, besides that brown one, which is chicken egg, are no good. Can't eat them. This has been Aaron. Thanks for watching.